Uralvagonzavod is Russia's main tank manufacturing plant located in Nizhny Tagil. Construction began in 1936 and was completed in 1941. It is known as the world's largest tank manufacturer, having produced over 100,000 tanks since World War II. It remains Russia's main tank production center to this day. Uralvagonzavod produces various types of tanks, including the T-72B3M, T-90M Proryv, and T-14 Armata. It also continues to develop and produce new tanks, such as the T-90, which features advanced technology. In addition to tank production, Uralvagonzavod is also involved in the production of modern tank variants offered by Russia. In 2022, Uralvagonzavod faced asset freezes and sanctions from the European Union for allegedly supporting actions that threatened Ukraine's sovereignty through the delivery of T-72B3 tanks. Here are the most advanced Russian-made tanks at Uralvagonzavod. 1. T-72B3M. This tank is the latest version of the T-72, modernized with an improved fire control system, enhanced protection, and a more powerful engine. 2. T-80BVM. This tank is a modernized version of the T-80, equipped with a powerful gas turbine engine, active protection systems, and a 125mm gun. 3. T-90MS. An export variant of the T-90, offering various improvements in fire control, protection, and mobility. 4. T-90M Proryv. This tank is a modernized version of the T-90, equipped with active protection systems and a more powerful 125mm gun. 5. T-14 Armata. This fourth-generation tank features an unmanned turret, a remotely controlled 125mm gun, and an isolated crew compartment in an armored capsule.